CoStar Group review. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to give you the full review of CoStar Group. CoStar is a leading commercial real estate data and analytics platform used by professionals to research properties, markets, and trends. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started.
But it
CoStar
wasn't.
provides access
Yeah,
to a
that was
massive
that's not good
database of
delivery.
commercial real estate listings, ownership
You
records, lease
mentioned
counts,
Shan
market
Masood,
analytics, and property images.
been in and out of the
Users
team. He
can
hasn't
perform
played.
detailed searches by
Missed out in
location,
last couple
asset
of
type, and
matches.
financial metrics. It
And he's
also
kind of
includes
character.
mapping tools and
He needs
historical
runs
trends
to
for
do something.
investment analysis. Pros: comprehensive data coverage across the US, advanced search and filter tools, trusted by major
I
industry
absolutely agree with
professionals,
54
offers
or
property
55
photos,
now. It is at a
floor
run of ball,
plans, and
especially when you've
maps.
got
Cons:
Seifert set at
very
45
expensive
of
and often
23 at the other
requires
end.
long-term
And the
contracts.
winner of the
Interface
Parkview
can feel
City Free.
outdated.
But it wasn't.
Steep learning
Yeah,
curve
that
for
was
new
that's not good
users.
delivery.
Pricing. CoStar pricing is not
You
publicly
mentioned
listed and
Shan
varies
Masood,
depending on the size of the business and
been in and out
features
of the
needed.
team. He hasn't played.
Typically, it targets
Missed out in
enterprise level
last couple of
clients,
matches.
and smaller businesses might
And he's
find it
kind of
costly.
character.
Demos and
He needs
consultations
runs
are
to do
available
something.
upon request. So that's all for this video.